If your plant suddenly starts looking dusty, speckled, faded, or covered in tiny webs, you might have spider mites. The tricky thing about spider mites is that they're incredibly small, so most people don't notice them until the infestation is already pretty established. They usually start on the undersides of leaves, where they feed by piercing the plant cells and sucking out the contents. That's what causes that tiny speckled or stippled looking damage that eventually makes leaves look dull, faded, bronzed, or dried. And if you're seeing actual webbing, that usually means the population has already exploded. Now here's why they spread so fast. Spider mites lay their eggs underneath the leaves, often hidden along veins or inside fine webbing. Those eggs can hatch in just a few days indoors, especially in warm, dry conditions. So while you're killing the adults you can see, new mites are often already hatching underneath the leaves. That's why consistency matters way more than one heavy treatment. And unlike some other pests, coverage is everything with spider mites. If you miss part of the plant, especially the undersides of leaves, they can rebuild their population really fast. Personally, I start by rinsing the plant first down with water to physically knock off as many mites and webs as possible. After that, I'd spray every other day, making sure to fully coat the entire plant, especially underneath the leaves and around growth points. After the first week, I switched to about once a week while continuing treatment for at least 4 to 6 weeks. Insecticidal soap, horticultural oil, 70% isopropyl alcohol can all knock down active spider mites. Just make sure you spray with the plant out of bright light, direct sun, or grow lights, and don't put it back until the leaves are completely dry, because wet leaves under intense light can damage really fast. Spider mites also tend to explode faster in hot, dry conditions, which is why they're especially common indoors during winter. But the biggest mistake people make with spider mites? Stopping treatment the second the webbings disappear, because eggs are usually still hatching long after visible webs are gone. You can't kill spider mites in one shot. You have to outlast them. Save this so you know what to look for before the infestation gets out of control.